The award-winning Kia Telluride is a stylish family SUV with luxury car levels of refinement at an affordable price. The 2022 Kia Telluride is available in 4 trim levels: LX, S, EX, and SX. In this video, we will briefly cover the features of each trim level and take a quick look at the powertrain specs and standard safety features. We will cover Kia's factory warranty and provide some insight on how to get the best deal if you're shopping for a new Telluride. Let's begin with the powertrain. Under the hood of every Telluride, regardless of the trim level, is a 3.8-liter V6 with 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired to an 8-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is a $2,000 option across the board. When properly equipped, the Telluride can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Standard safety features on every 2022 Kia Telluride include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and forward collision mitigation. The 2022 Telluride leaves the factory with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. See the link below for a complete guide to Kia's factory warranty. Now for the trim levels. The base Telluride LX comes with 18-inch wheels, dual-zone automatic climate control, rear automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, a large infotainment touchscreen, and a 6-speaker audio system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard. The Telluride S has everything from the LX, but adds a sunroof, roof rails, 20-inch wheels, a power driver's seat, second-row captain's chairs, and wireless smartphone charging. Moving up to the EX will give you 18-inch wheels and second-row bench seats, which increases the total seating capacity to 8. The EX includes genuine cowhide upholstery, window shades for the second row, ventilated front seats, power folding side mirrors, and a hands-free liftgate. Add the EX Premium package and you get 20-inch wheels. At the top of the mountain, the Telluride SX includes a power driver's seat with memory settings, a sleek sunroof, and a premium hardened Cardan audio system with 10 speakers. The Telluride Nightfall package is optional as well. Depending on the trim level, starting MSRP for the 2022 Telluride is between $34,000 and $44,000. See our free search tools below. They will help you narrow down which Kia dealers in your area offer the best pricing on a new Telluride. Also below is a link to our comprehensive overview on the 2022 Telluride to help you with your research. In Detroit, on behalf of Automoblog, I'm Carl Anthony.